Hi everyone, and welcome to Week 2 of iolite's Python for LA-ICP-MS course. In Week 1, you should have covered the following: variables, conditionals, functions, and loops and iterations. Often the first step in learning to code can be the hardest, so well done for completing the first week. And now, on to Week 2. In Week 2, we'll be covering strings, files, lists, dictionaries, and tuples. And this will finish up our introduction to the basic building blocks of the Python language. We'll also be covering regular expressions, which are necessary for finding patterns within text, for example dates within text, and we'll be using those in next week's topic of writing importers. And finally, there's a chapter on object-oriented programming. This is just a short introduction to the concept of objects, which are really just repeatable structures that we use in programming. For Week 1's assignment, if you haven't received an email with your student number, please let us know. And we ask that if everyone could submit their assignments by Tuesday each week, or that'll be Monday in the Americas, and that will help with the peer assessment process. Each week after everyone's submitted their assignments, we'll add a table to the main course page showing against your student number which assignments we'd like you to read through. Now, we understand that everybody is busy and you may not have time to complete the assignments each week. That's fine. Please feel free to work at your own pace. We'll run a script through that folder to find out who has completed assignments, and we'll use that to match up people who have done the assignments and the peer assessment process. That said, for Week 2 there is no assignment because there are quite a few chapters to read for the background material. And just a reminder about the support, please feel free to hit us up on the forum. Joe and I will still be answering questions through the week. I've just moved the session that I'll be available to Thursdays to give you a little bit more time to read through the material before having questions. Having it too early in the week doesn't really give you enough time. Other than that, all the best with Week 2 and happy learning.